change legs. Keep the chest up and look towards the ceiling. If you can, keep the back heel on the floor. And now we're going to do a little side bending. And keep bringing the pelvis forward and backwards. This opens up the right side of the trunk. And now shift your body side to side and look for handles that give you support. And switch direction. You may notice that one side is more difficult to stretch than the other. Keep that chest up. And switch legs. And then turn the trunk to one side. Move that pelvis side to side. Find those tight areas. And then just move back and forth, side to side, like a small cube. Switch trunk position.